back to Black Box Trading Bots. I'm your host JT, and this is the channel where you come for the biggest moves in crypto. In today's video, we're going to be covering Bitcoin. I want to do a little bit of a market update. I want to see what Bitcoin's doing. We have broken out of the consolidation, broken out of a falling wedge formation. Our indicator is back to bullish. We are back to being long, and I want to break down what I see as a few potentials for this 30K range area. So let's get into it. All right, we're going to start off with Bitcoin here on the daily chart. Now, we got a big, huge move outside of this falling wedge formation, big, huge impulse here. Now, I have this resistance line here at around 28,300 to 28,400. This would be a nice area for a retracement. Now, the thing about Bitcoin is when it's bullish, and it will just go. Bitcoin has a fun habit of just not retracing to the levels that people think. You know, if this is the obvious retracement point, then maybe Bitcoin does a retracement to here and then continues on. Basically, what I'm trying to say is if Bitcoin is truly bullish, I wouldn't be waiting for too deep of a correction. If we actually take a look at the Fibonacci's, I'm going to pull a fib from the swing low up to the swing high. And basically, we're sitting right here in the 236 area. A 0.382 retracement here down to the 7 EMA would be a really healthy retracement in a healthy trend. If Bitcoin bounced off of the 7 right at around 28.8 or 29,000, that would show a lot of strength. Once you get into the 0.5 and the 0.618, you're starting to show weakness. Bitcoin is either really bullish or it's consolidating. And especially at this time in the market, there's no in between. It's either very, very bullish or it's just consolidating. So if we start to break down below the level of the 318, so that's at 28.8, we'll call it 28.9, we'll round it up. If it starts to trade below that and gets into the 0.5 or worse, the 0.618, then chances are that this will be a continued consolidation with the possibility that we start to break down to some lower levels. So do be on the lookout for that. We do need to maintain price above that level, above ideally 29,000 would be the perfect level to stay above. So kind of reclaiming this general area right here, as long as we can stay above, that, Bitcoin truly is on a bullish breakout and it'll have continued follow through. Taking a look at the 12, staying on top of the 7 EMA on the 12-hour time frame. This is your intraday time frame. You get 2 candles per day on this one. Staying on top of the 7 is a good place to be. If we can continue to do that, we'll see higher levels. Now go over to the 3-day chart. 3-day is about to have a bullish cross. So bullish cross incoming. The 7 is about to cross the 30. That's further showing us that we have the ability to continue to rally. Also, I didn't mention, the wave is now green. The indicator is bullish. This will confirm on the weekly close. If we go ahead and take a look at the weekly time frame, we would love it if we could get above the weekly prior candle close. So if we can get a level, if we can hold the level of 30,325, we're currently above that. If we can continue to hold above that for the next 1 day and 3 hours, so that's 27 hours, that would be ideal. So that's what we're looking for in the price of Bitcoin. Now, if we were to really break out of this level, so 30K is a super important level to take note of. Let's just turn alphanumerics off for just a moment. And we need to make note of this level here at 30K. It's a very, very strong resistance point that we're at right now. Don't underestimate this resistance point. We do need to get above it. So if we can clear 31.6 on a high time frame close, ideally a weekly close. If we can get a weekly close above this level, there's really nothing holding it up at that point. If we break out above that level, it's highly plausible that we get to the mid to upper 40s, and with an over exuberance in the market, we could even entertain the idea of somewhere around the all-time high levels. You know, we could be looking at stuff up in this general range up here. So That's what I'm seeing for the price of Bitcoin. Things are looking good. We are back to bullish. If you guys are interested in this strategy, whether you just want to learn more about the strategy, you can follow the links below, join the community, and get set up on the free Bitcoin trading bot. Yes, it is free to use with one of our partner exchanges. If you are the type to want to have a little bit of exposure to the trading side of things, but you're looking for low time preference trading algorithms, then we've got you covered over at Blackbox. Head over to blackbox.pro. That's BLKBöX.pro. Sign up for free. That is all the time I have for today. If you guys enjoyed this content, please leave it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, please trade safe. It is a jungle out there. Peace.